What are the uses of Citralka? Citralka is used to prevent and lessen the development of kidney stones and gout. When the level of uric acid in your body increases, it forms crystals around the joints and kidneys. This is called gout. These crystals can cause swelling and painful bumps, making it difficult to walk or move the arms. The sodium hydrogen citrate helps maintain the pH of urine, thereby eliminating gout crystals and kidney stones. Citralka also helps treat kidney stones by breaking down the stones into smaller pieces that pass through the urine. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get regular notifications.